Starting BA LLB first year can feel super confusing. क्या पढ़ना है, कैसे पढ़ना है, and कहाँ से पढ़ना है. But don't worry, in this video, I'll give you a simple study plan, subject overview, and the best resources जो मैंने खुद use किए थे as a first year student. In your first year, each semester usually has 5 subjects: contract law, tort law, political science, sociology, English, legal language, psychology, etc. Legal methods and contract law, tort law are the core subjects. इनका बेस स्ट्रांग होना बहुत important है because they build your foundation for upcoming years. Law is not just about cramming, it's about understanding the concepts clearly. मेरा routine था, I used to focus on 2 subjects per week and every Sunday I did a full revision. Make short notes in your own words. हर टॉपिक के साथ 1-2 important case laws याद करना useful होता है, both for exams and for Viva. Now let's talk about some useful resources. For books, Avtar Singh; for contracts, Glanville Williams; for legal methods, Act's free download from India Code website. YouTube channels like Legal Ed, Study IQ, and of course this channel, The Aspiring Lawyer. For legal updates और research के लिए IP Leaders and SCC online बहुत helpful हैं. Here are some real tips that actually helped me. Study daily, even if it's just for 1 hour. Consistency matters more than the long hours. ग्रुप डिस्कशन से कॉन्सेप्ट्स और क्लियर होते हैं. लीगल लैंग्वेज इग्नोर मत करो. योर राइटिंग एंड आंसर्स improve with it. And please don't ignore your mental health. Take breaks, relax, and enjoy the learning process. If this video helped you even a little, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your law school friends. Comment below and let me know what topic you want next. See you in the next video. Until then, stay focused and keep learning with the Aspiring Lawyer.